Hi guys, it's Dawn from MakeupClasses.com. Welcome, and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 2. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe to this channel. We would love for you to be part of this growing family. Double check your makeup kit for all your necessary items by imagining what you use on the face from the top to bottom. Face, eyes, cheeks, and lips. This mental checkoff list will save you from forgetting something every single time. Yeah, guys, this is something that I definitely use throughout my entire career. It's kind of like my own little secret system when I'm packing my kit, especially for any type of freelance work, be it bridal, photography, if I'm doing a freelance video shoot or working at a different TV network. I go through my kit tooth and nail. I double, triple check, sometimes quadruple check my kit because there's nothing worse than getting on location and realizing that you forgot something. So what do? I literally envision, I'm very mindful, and I think about the face, and I run my kit through the order of the face. So I think to myself, okay, do I have all my face products, foundation, bronzer, cheek products, any all over body products that I need? Then the brows, do I have all my brow materials, eyes, liner, shadows, mascara? And the cheeks, do I have my blush, bronzers, setting powders? And with the lips, I ask myself, do I have my lip gloss, lipstick, and lip liners? Any type of healing products like a chapstick product as well. Well, guys, I hope this makeup tip helps. Remember to run down the face as you're packing your kit so you don't forget a single item. I'll see you next week on Makeup Tip Monday here at MakeupClasses.com. Bye, everyone.